Hey guys, this is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we're going to make a race game, and through all of that we see how to use a forever loop, how to use a conditional, how to how to move a sprite, and how to stop a game during all that game. So these are going to be the different steps we're going to see, guys. Alright, to get started, you go to Google and you type Scratch coding, like this. Here you go. You click on the first one, Scratch MIT. This is where you should go. Alright. Time to load. And you click on Start Creating. Takes a couple of seconds. And we should be good after that. No worries. Alright, it's loaded. Alright guys, so after clicking on all of that, all these things, so you should arrive here. So you should close these windows and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, so we try to create a race game, so we need 3 characters. So we have the first character here is going to be the cat. So we can try to reduce the size of it, so let's put it 80% here. Maybe smaller than that, so we can put that 60, 70. Alright. We need more characters. And let's put the beetle in. Change the size of the beetle. Put 80. And we're trying to make them move from here to the right, so we put something on the right too. Try to put some food if you're trying to eat. You're always hungry, right? Let's get a dog. So here we have the dog here. Let's put the dog here. The dog is too big. Let's put it at 70 maybe. Alright. So let me see something here. For the beetle. Oh, it's not moving. Alright, anyway. Alright guys, so we're trying to make them move from the left to the right, so when we push keypad on the keyboard. So this is what we want. On the other side, we also want to put food on this side, so when we reach out to the food, we stop all the game, you know, and you can get started. You can do things like this. Alright, so let me get some food here. So we want food. Alright, so we have, let me get an apple. So we're going to get the apple. Maybe the beetle. Let me get some food. We got some fries here, cheesy puff. Alright. I'm gonna put that here. And let me put a mouse. A mouse for the cat. There you go. You can get started like this. Okay, now we need to code each of them. Alright, let's start with the cat. So how we can get that started? We go here to events, and as usual we start when we click on the green flag. You see here. And we're going to do if I push on the button, if I push on the let's say A, if I push A, when space key bar is pressed, so when A is pressed, I want it to move 10 steps. I need to go to motion, and put it here. Alright. There you go. Let's give it a try. Push A. Alright. You see guys, it's not moving. Why is that? Why is that? It's because, you know, it cannot, when I click on the green flag, if the condition A is happening, it does move only once. So we need to do it all the time, guys. So for that we need to go to control and use the forever loop. Alright, let's give it a try now. Alright, it does move. So it's kind of moving a bit fast. So maybe we can reduce it to like 5 steps. Let me stop it. There you go. The game is a bit better now. Alright, so we can do the same thing for all of them, guys. And we can just do that. Get this here, put it for the beetle. Let me see if it's there. Alright, so I can change it maybe for B. You know, let's do with the alphabet letters in the order. I mean, you can grab it and put it for dog. And change it for C. There you go. And we go here and we change it for C. Alright, so that type of game is for you when you have your friends at home, you know, and you have your computer, you try to impress them, and you're trying to see if you can have a little game at home. Alright, this one is C, this one is C, so none of them is moving, as you can see. So I need to change that. So for the beetle, I put B, I mean. Alright, let me stop that. Let me try one more time. It's moving. And the dog is moving. How cool is that? There you go. Let me make the dog move. The dog is moving, right? Like the dog is not, you don't have the legs moving. So this is what I was looking before. You see here, we have the dogs, you know, we have different patterns for the walk. Alright, so we can change that. Alright, so for that we need to go to looks. I think that's looks. Let me see. Switch costume. Next costume. That's what it is. Alright, let me put it here. There you go. Let me try it one more time. There we go. Let me go back here. Okay, guys. Now we're going to code. Let me stop it. Now we're going to code the different characters here. The food. We got the cat food, the beetle's food, and the dog's food. This cheesy part. That looks like fries to me. So I think the dogs can eat that. Okay. Alright, let me click on the apple, and as usual, you know, and when the green flag is clicked, we're gonna start with this, and we're gonna put an if condition. If other condition needs to be, so this is the apple is working with the beetle. So you know, if we touch the beetle, let's say, okay, you touch me, the game, you won, or something like that. The cat, you won, beetle, you won, and we're gonna need to stop the game. All right, if touching, there it is. If touching the beetle, there you go. What we do? Let's say beetle won. The beetle won. Alright, let's give it a try. Yeah, unfortunately the legs for the beetle doesn't move. Alright, you see guys what's happening? It's not saying nothing. So this is the same thing happening as before. You see here the condition need to happen at the same time the condition need to happen here. So we need to keep looping all the time. So we need a forever loop. There it is. Alright, well, just to show you. There you go. Beetle one. That's about it. Okay guys, and you can even make some sound if you want. I'll show it again. Play sound chomp. Alright, I think that should be it. Alright. Something like that, guys. So we can make the sound and stuff. You can do that, and what I show you, you can stop the game after that. Whoever wins, you can stop the game. And let me show you what. Alright. Let me show you, and I'm gonna make the play the sound, and we're gonna stop all of that. So stop R. There you go. Let's give it a try. Oh, put it the wrong place. I'm sorry, guys. All right. Should be in the apple. What happened there? Wrong place. So I need to put the sound here. So we're gonna put some sound here. We're gonna stop the game. Stop it all. There you go. Let's try that. And it stops sit R. So it takes it goes really fast, guys. So what we can do, we can add some time to that. Okay, see guys, while we're going through the game, all the things that are happening. So sometimes this is how you make your own game, and where you learn how you learn at the same time. All right. It's not how Casey is just showing you how things are working here. Alright. Voila, and everything is stopped. Okay guys, so we kind of move nicely through that game. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to take the code here, and we're going to put it into two different food over here. The mouse and cheesy puff. Voila, that's one. And that's two. Let's see if it's well. Okay, good. Alright, so for the here in the mouse does work with the cat. Where's the cat? The cat is sprite one. Yeah, I can change the name for that, but yeah, I'm going to do that too. No problem. And I've done it for the mouse. I've done it for the apple. Now it's time to do it for the cheesy puff. So it's going to be the dog. Okay, to get the dog, so it's good. Apple is going to be the beetle, and the mouse is going to be sprite one. All right, let me try to change that name. Cat. All right, cat is going to be the mouse. All right, you change here. So we are good here. All right, let's give it a good try. Let's click on green flag. We're going here. All right, you can go back here. All right, let's give it a good try with that. Let's start the game. All right. Trump. One second. All right, guys. I think that's the end of the tutorial, guys. If you liked it, guys, please give it a like, and don't forget to leave some comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to share the video, and see you for another tutorial, guys. All right.